Samsung users, we've got some unexpected news, and if you're a Galaxy owner, you're going to want to hear this. Samsung has officially paused the global rollout of its long-awaited One UI 7 update. Why? A serious bug, one that's preventing some Galaxy S24 users from unlocking their phones. Yes, you heard that right, a software update that could lock you out of your own device. The issue was first flagged by well-known leaker Ice Universe, who reported that the bug originated with Galaxy S24 models in South Korea. But rather than take any chances, Samsung has hit the brakes, halting the update worldwide, across all models. Now, if you've already downloaded the One UI 7 update, you might be wondering, what now? Using the Checkfirm app, it's been confirmed, the update has disappeared from Samsung's servers. Older firmware versions are back in the spotlight, and One UI 7 is nowhere to be found. Strangely, Samsung hasn't made any public statement yet. No official confirmation of the pause. No roadmap for a fix. Silence. And that's a bit concerning, considering the scale of this rollout. Let's not forget, One UI 7 isn't just another patch. It's built on Android 15, packed with AI-powered features, performance upgrades, and a smarter, smoother interface. The rollout started on April 7th for the Galaxy S24, Z Fold 6, and Z Flip 6. US users got it on April 10th, and it's even preloaded on the Galaxy S25 and new Galaxy A series, which launched back in February. But now, the update that was supposed to bring Samsung devices to the cutting edge has come to a grinding halt just days after release. What's more, the One UI 7 launch already faced criticism for being late. Android 15 was made available to developers over 7 months ago, and yet Samsung only began the rollout now, 2 months after the Galaxy S25 launched with it pre-installed. Now, after all that waiting, we're back to square one. So the big questions remain. When will Samsung fix the bug? When will the rollout resume? And what should current One UI 7 users expect next? If you're a Samsung user, especially a Galaxy S24 owner, this story is far from over. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated as this unfolds. And let us know in the comments, did you already download One UI 7? And if so, any issues so far?